everyone, this is Annette Hibbler with Real Leads Finder Pro, and I have another quick tip for you. So in scheduling and setting up your calendars within the GoHighLevel account is pretty easy enough. Here I'm in one of my calendars, and you can see here under availability, I can set up my days and times of availability, as well as customizing certain things such as the length of the meeting and the duration, the slot interval, meaning the time between one meeting ends and another one starts, and all kinds of wonderful things like that. But here's what I wanted to kind of show you. Say you're going on vacation. I'll be going on a trip at the end of November, and since I'll be driving, it's going to take a few days. So I don't want to set up any appointments for those specific days when I'm going to be on the road, right? Well, I don't want to mess with anything here. So all I do is go here under date specific hours. And as you can see, I've already added one date here as unavailable. But I need to add two more because it's a 3-day trip. So I'm going to show you very quickly. You just go here to add date specific hours. And this is great for, any time when you need to block off a specific day or even a whole week, from your calendar. So here, it just shows me this month's calendar, and I've already blocked off this date, so I need to block off Friday the 28th. And since I'm going to be unavailable the entire day here, you can set specific hours for that date specifically, or in my case, since I'll be on the road, I'm just going to click on this little trash can here and mark it as unavailable and then hit submit. So now I have both Thursday and Friday of that week unavailable for meetings. And as I said, you can do this at any point for any day of the week, whether it's, maybe you're going to be on another, out of the office all day. This is very easy to set up. You can take it off just by hitting the little trash can there. But I just wanted to make sure that you were aware of how date-specific hours actually works and kind of walk you through it. Thanks for watching this quick tip, and I'll see you next time. Take care. If you're new to GoHighLevel and looking for a way to shorten your learning curve and get up and running quickly, check out Real Leads Finder Pro's courses. The Success Hub is a step-by-step video library built for beginners with ongoing training on automations, AI tools, reputation management, and real marketing strategies. Visit realleadsfinder.com for more information.